The Navy Federal Credit Union, sometimes known as NFCU, is a well-established financial institution that caters to the monetary requirements of active-duty military people, veterans, and the families of both groups. One of the most prominent aspects of NFCU is its capacity to provide big loan approvals. Certain packages offer funding of up to $100,000. In this video, we will go into the specifics of how NFCU operates, the steps required to receive approval for loans of up to $100,000, and the myriad of facets involved in the administration of loans through this credit union. Understanding Navy Federal Credit Union. Introduction to NFCU. The Navy Federal Credit Union is the most expensive financial cooperative in the United States, with millions of members spread over the entire world. NFCU was established in 1933 with the goal of offering financial services to military men and their families. Since then, the organization has expanded its product offerings to include a wide variety of banking and lending options. Membership is available to those who are now serving in the military, those who have previously served, veterans, civilian employees of the Department of Defense, DoD, and the family members of those individuals. Key features of NFCU. A membership in eligibility requirements include active duty troops, veterans, Department of Defense civilians, and their immediate relatives. Wide variety of products. Provides a wide variety of financial products, such as savings accounts, bank accounts, credit cards, and loans, among other options. The National Federal Credit Union has a global presence through its network of branches and through the provision of internet banking services. NFCU loan options. Personal loans. The personal loans offered by Navy Federal Credit Union can be put to a variety of uses, such as consolidating existing debt, making much-needed modifications to one's residence, or covering unanticipated costs. These types of unsecured loans often include interest rates that are fixed and monthly installments that are predetermined. Auto loans. Auto loans can be obtained from NFCU for both new and second-hand vehicle purchases. Members have access to favorable interest rates, a range of repayment options, and the time-saving convenience of pre-approved auto drafts. Home loans. The mortgage products offered by Navy Federal are some of the most well-known in the industry. These products include conventional mortgages, loans for veterans, and home equity loans. These solutions are tailored to the needs of members who are interested in purchasing a home, refinancing an existing mortgage, or accessing the equity in their home. Credit cards. NFCU offers a variety of credit card choices, each of which comes with its own individual set of perks and conveniences. Members have access to a variety of credit cards, each of which may be selected based on the incentives, cashback, or interest rates offered. Personal line of credit. A personal line of credit is something that Navy Federal can provide for customers who are interested in having continual access to finances. This revolving credit line can be utilized for a variety of purposes, and the borrower will only be charged interest on the amount that they actually use. Up to $100,000 approval. How it works. The ability of Navy Federal Credit Union to grant loans of up to $100,000 is one of the credit union's most notable qualities. This level of approval is especially helpful for substantial expenses like home improvements, consolidating debt, or making large purchases. The following is an outline of the typical steps involved in this process. 1. Membership eligibility. Individuals must first be eligible for membership in NFCU in order to submit an application for a loan through the organization. As was said before, those who are eligible to participate include those who are now serving in the military, those who have previously served, veterans, civilian employees of the Department of Defense, and their immediate families. 2. Loan application. The application procedure for a loan from NFCU can be done either online or in person at a branch location. This applies to loans with high approval amounts as well. Members are required to give information about their personal finances, which may include information about their income, employment, and credit history. 3. Credit check. As part of the procedure for applying for a loan through NFCU, a credit check will be performed. Although NFCU takes a number of things into consideration, including a person's credit history, the credit union is best recognized for offering a variety of options to members who have varying credit profiles. 4. Loan approval amount. The amount of the loan for which approval is granted is dependent on a number of criteria, including the applicant's creditworthiness, income, and the intended use of the money borrowed. A large financial resource is made available to members in the form of the possibility of receiving loans of up to $100,000. 5. Loan terms. Upon being approved for the loan, the borrower will be given information regarding the terms of the loan, including the interest rate, the length of the repayment period, and the amount of the monthly payment. The interest rates offered by NFCU are among the most competitive in the industry, and the loan terms have been crafted to be within the borrower's control. 6. Funding. After the loan has been granted, the member will have access to the money that was borrowed. This method can be different for each member, depending on the kind of loan they need and how quickly they require it. For instance, funding for personal loans can take only a short amount of time. However, the process of obtaining a mortgage might be drawn out because of the need for additional documentation and an appraisal. 7. Repayment. The terms of the loan include that the borrower must make consistent monthly payments in the form of a fixed amount. NFCU gives its customers a number of different choices for how they can make payments, including transferring money online, setting up automated deductions, and making payments at physical branches. Managing loans with NFCU. Online banking. The NFCU provides its members with a powerful online banking platform that enables them to manage their loans, check account statements, make payments, and keep track of their financial transactions. Accessing one's account information through the use of the web portal is an easy and risk-free way to do so from any location in the globe. Mobile app. The capabilities of NFCU's online banking are brought to mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets by the mobile app. Members can use the mobile app to check their account balances, make fund transfers, and make payments while they are on the go. In addition, the app sends alerts and messages to members, so they are always up to date on the status of their accounts. Member support. The Navy Federal Credit Union is renowned for providing outstanding support services to its members. For assistance with loan-related questions, account administration, or general financial advice, members can get in touch with NFCU personnel over the phone, by email, or in person at any of the credit union's branches. Loan modification and assistance. In times of financial difficulty or unexpected problems, NFCU provides choices for loan adjustment and assistance to help members through these difficult times. Members who are having trouble making their payments are encouraged to get in touch with the NFCU's Member Help Program so that they can investigate their options. A dependable financial institution that goes above and beyond the services offered by typical banks, Navy Federal Credit Union stands out from the competition. NFCU is dedicated to helping military members and their families, and as part of this mission, it offers a diverse selection of financial products, including loans with high maximum amounts that can be approved. Whether you are looking for a personal loan, vehicle loan, mortgage, or credit card, NFCU can provide you with solutions that are competitive and have terms that are to your advantage. The steps required to acquire an approval for a loan of up to $100,000 from Navy Federal Credit Union include verifying one's eligibility, submitting an application, having one's credit evaluated, and deciding whether or not to approve the loan. Members are able to take advantage of flexible loan periods, reasonable interest rates, and streamlined funding procedures once their applications have been approved. The National Federal Credit Union, NFCU, offers a convenient online banking platform, a mobile app, and specialized member support services that make it simple to manage loans with the credit union. The National Federal Credit Union is further reinforcing its commitment to the well-being of its members by placing an emphasis on member assistance and financial education. Individuals and families who are looking for financial services that are specialized to the specific requirements of the military community should strongly consider joining the Navy Federal Credit Union if they are eligible for membership in the organization. It doesn't matter if you want to manage your day-to-day banking or finance a significant purchase. The variety of products that NFCU offers and its dedication to providing excellent service make it a standout option in the competitive world of finance.